It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider buttons, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right here, we have hitch guidance and hitch view. The hard buttons for our radio and media options, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports and power plug-in. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the AT4 we have red tow hooks, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-inch factory lift with monotube shocks. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 engine. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, AT4 high clearance steps, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window slider, remote start, and as we make our way to the back, the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck, dual exhaust, and now we have GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, pushing that button twice to drop the tailgate down. We also have GMC's MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-in, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either one of the rear seats and additional storage space by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at Wolfe GMCBuick.com.